Cooking with Spags. You guys are gonna love this. So I'm gonna call this a Cannabis-Infused Michigan Winter Fire Grilled Norwegian Salmon. We're infusing edibles today. Most people think of like a cookie or a brownie or a piece of candy. Well, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful meal with cannabis oils. I'm going to make an Asian infused cannabis edible topping for a Michigan winter grilled Norwegian salmon dish. I think you're going to love this. I'm going to season the salmon right now. Now I'm going to just put a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to mix it with just a touch of sesame oil. There'll be some kosher salt with pepper, black ground pepper. Season this fish lightly on both sides. You know, you have a little olive oil. I took the skin off, so remove the skin. Closer as possible is for you, so it'll gray there. A little more salt. It smells so delicious. We're taking it outside. So we're gonna wipe this grill off with a little bit of oil, get it clean. It's already been brushed. The salmon's gonna go right on. It's already been seasoned with a little bit of oil. Lay it right on that Michigan cherry wood. Nothing like it. We get about 6-ounce fillets of Norwegian salmon. And then we're gonna take a little bit of some Asian vegetables, maybe a little Italian pasta, and we're gonna take a little bit of cannabis oil, and we're gonna add that to the top of it. So I guess you could call that cooking with edibles. I like it. Yeah, I'm cooking with edibles a little bit today for you guys. Maybe we'll do it again, but right now, let's focus on the salmon. Don't even fuck with the salmon until it starts getting crispy on the bottom. Don't even fuck with it. It's not gonna stick because we got a little oil on there. I know it's hot, not as hot as my hot sauce. Spags vintage hot sauce. Not as hot as that. Make sure you guys get yourself some Spags vintage hot sauce. We will be using it today. Go to spagshotsauce.com. And there you can smell it. When you start smelling the fish, getting crisp and cooking. Pepper, you can play with a little bit. I'm not worried. Get in the hot spot. Salmon, though, very delicate. The gray part on top is where the skin was. The fat is, and then, so we're going to flip that over to finish it on that side. But right now I want to get a nice sear look to the salmon. When it starts giving a little bit, you know it's time to flip it. As long as your grill's not too hot, see that? And if you want to mark it, you want to turn to a different area like that. Because it gets cold when the salmon's on there. See, that one's not ready. That one's not ready. This is the only one that was ready. Maybe 3-4 minutes on each side. Oh, they're getting close, baby. This one here should be. Yep. Look at that, huh?
Ooh, baby.
How nice is that? This is ready. Look at that. And then this one here should be ready. There we go. Look at that. Nice. I'm going to cook the salmon medium rare.
What'd you just put in it?
Pasta. Oh, the beautiful coil fideo. It's coiled up pasta, really thin. You could use a capellini vermicelli, you could use a rice noodle. Today we chose to use this. We want to get that pasta nice and al dente, firm to the bite. Over here, we're going to start to cook a little bit of, we got some bok choy. I'm going to throw in some green scallions, garlic and lemongrass, fresh ginger, eggplant, maybe a little olive oil now because the sesame oil gets a little bit strong sometimes. Let that cook up real nice while the pasta's going. Which Spag should we use? Let's do it with the Spags Vintage today. That's our 5 pepper blend. We're going to hit a little bit of this in here. Before this gets too hot, we're going to turn it down a little bit, and then we're going to add our ghee butter that we made. About 2 tablespoons for the 3 salmon, which would give us about 100 milligrams of THC. And it would give it a really nice little flavor to it. Beautiful. A little bit more. Just a pinch. Our vegetables, we don't want them to overcook. We want them to still be a little bit crunchy, so we're going to add some fish sauce. And then we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce with our, and then we're going to have a little fresh lemon juice. Good. Okay? Now we're perfect. We're exactly where we want to be with this. Beautiful Thai basil right here. It's a Asian flavored basil. It's a little different than Italian flavored. It's a very distinct flavor. I can't even really describe it, but it just smells like you're walking into a Vietnamese restaurant. And then the julienne, I will use these julienne strips to garnish also with the red pepper. We'll be using a little bit of watercress on top of the pasta, and then the fish will go on top of that. A little bitterness from that would be nice. I'm peeling the charred skin off the red pepper. You have to really get it charred really nice to give it, that pepper some really good flavor. I'm julienning the pepper for a garnish. With the Thai basil julienne, it'll be a nice garnish for this fish dish we're making.
Have you ever made this dish before?
Never made this before. First time. Alright, here we go. We got the pasta right on the dish. We're going to give it a little bit of twirl. I did not rinse this pasta very much. So it has a little bit of starch to it. A little sticky. We're going to put a little bit of the watercress like I told you. Right there next to it. A little bit here. Lemon juice. I have a fresh lemon juice over this. Just a drop. Can you see that? I mean, oh my God. I barely smell the edible butter, the ghee. I barely smell it. I just want to put a little bit of this sauce on the pasta. Now this one, okay? A little piece of eggplant on there, real nice. Make sure each one of them's got a little piece of eggplant. At least one. We're good. Hit it with the salmon. This beautiful grilled salmon, Norwegian salmon we have. Nice and fatty. Right over that. And then we take our edible stir fry here. We're gonna go right over the top of the salmon with it. Look at this. Just right over the top. Man, this pan's hot. Whoa, baby. And right over here. It smells incredible. Thai basil will go on very last. The red pepper will go first, and then the basil will go next. A couple there, a couple here, a couple here. After this, you know what's after this, right, you guys? Okay. Of course. We're going to take the Spags Ghost. No dish is complete without Spags hot sauce. You can get this at spagshotsauce.com. 100% red Ghost. And we're just going to garnish our plate with it. Look at this, how beautiful that looks all over the place, huh? And then we'll do this one, same way. A couple drops here and there. And then we'll do the third one. It smells, I mean, wow, you guys. I mean, I've never smelled anything like this before. Good luck. Smell good?
Oh, it smells wonderful.
Wow.
Looks fucking fantastic.
Oh, maron. I want you guys to be careful cooking with edibles. Test your stuff. You don't want it too strong. You don't want it too weak. You want to know how powerful it is. Because if you eat too much, you can't die from it. You can't overdose from it. You're going to wish you're fucking dead. Let me tell you. Okay? I can cook it and I can make everything taste good with it. And I'm going to show you a bunch of different things.
How is it?
The flavor on the salmon with the Spags hot sauce is unbelievable.
Oh, yeah.
Spag life. Can you taste the cannabis in it?
I'm tasting the cannabis very little.
Very little.
I don't
But I'm already high.
It doesn't have.
I ain't even tasted it yet. That's dangerous.
No.
It's coming across as another vegetable spice in there.
Yeah. But you know what, though? If you wouldn't say it, you wouldn't even put it on.
Yeah, that's because he knows how to infuse it into the food and have the other flavors surround it.
Pay attention, people.